Today's topic narcotic drug and psychotropic substance. Here narcotic means it is derived from the Greek word of narcotic means narcotic drug or the substance which gives relief from the pain and induce sleep, that is called as the narcotic. So the narcotic act that will prohibits a person to produce, cultivate, possess, sale, purchase and transport, and also the narcotic drugs. So the narcotic drugs which included in Lok Sabha on 23rd August 23rd August in 1985, that is called as a narcotic. And here the narcotic drugs, here narcotic drug is nothing but the cocoa leaf, cannabis, opium papastra and includes all manufactured drug, that is called as a narcotic drugs. And here the psychotropic substance, psycho means soul, trope means turning, soul to turning. Here psychotrope means it is a Greek word that is called as a soul turning. Here narcotics, sorry, psychotropic substance means here the natural or the synthetic material which is used in the preparation of material which are included in the list of psychotropic substance which are specified in the schedule. So here the psychotic substance means here the natural narcotic. Here natural narcotic means so the natural that will occur in the plants like roots, bark, leaves, flower, fruits and seeds, that is called as a narcotics, natural narcotic. For example, for the natural narcotic is the cannabis, charaza, arish oil, ganja, cocaine and opium. These are all the natural narcotic. And semi-synthetic narcotic means crude and raw natural drugs which are isolated compound by having the chemical process. For example, heroin, brown sugar, these are all the semi-synthetic narcotics. In that narcotic drugs, in that first, that is the opium, this is the opium plant. So these are the opium plant. So the first here the what is meant by opium. Here opium means conjugated juice of opium papain. So here opium means it is a mixture with or without of neutral material of coagulated juice of the opium papain that include the preparation containing not less than 0.2% of morphine, that is called as a morphine, that is called as a opium. So the opium means it is a dried, milky and white juice which are obtained by the cutting slides of unripe seeds, that is called as the opium. So next here the what is meant by opium derivative. Here opium derivative means medicinal opium has undergone the process which are necessary to the requirements of Indian pharmacopoeia. Indian pharmacopoeia notified in the behalf by central government. That is the first point. And second point is a opium derivative is a prepared opium product which are by the series of operated which having the extracted for smoking. Here opium means extraction for smoking and residue which has remaining after opium has been smoked. And here opium derivative means here the phenanthrene alkaloids. Phenanthrene alkaloids means morphine, codeine and their salts. And second is the diacetyl morphine. So the diacetyl morphine is nothing but the heroin and their salts. And third, here the opium derivative or the preparation which containing more than 0.2% of morphine by having the diacetyl morphine. So the diacetyl morphine is nothing but the opium derivatives. And next here the family of the opium. So the opium papain which has obtained from the plant of Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum means that induce the sleep. So next here the opium papayi. Here opium papayi means that is the plant of species of Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum means that induce sleep. So the opium papayi is a plant of the papaver from the phenanthrene alkaloid. Here phenanthrene alkaloid means that is morphine, codeine and their salts, which has been phenanthrene alkaloids which has been extracted from which central government by notification in official gazetted officers. So that will declare the opium papayi. And next here the opium straw. Here opium straw means it is nothing but the seeds of opium papayi that harvesting the original which has been cut, crushed or powdered, or has been juice which has been extracted. That is, this is about the opium. And next here the what is meant by cannabis. Here cannabis means it is a common, cannabis is nothing but the dried leaves and flower plant of Cannabis sativum. Cannabis sativum from the member of the Cannaberaceae. Family of the cannabis is a Cannabaceae. So here cannabis, and here the cannabis. Here cannabis is nothing but the, it can be breaks in the form of cakes or the biscuits. So the cannabis that is usually in the smoked in cigarettes and also or the water pipe and then mixed with the tobacco. That is called as a cannabis. In the cannabis having the two types. Here cannabis or hemp, that is called as a charaza and ganja. Here charaza means it is a separate resins which are obtained from the cannabis plant, that include the concentrated preparations and the resin, that is known as liquid arisha or the arish oil. Charaza, here charaza means it is a separate resins which are obtained from the cannabis plant, that includes concentrated preparation, that resin known as liquid arisha or the arish oil, that is called as a charaza. And ganja, here ganja means flowering or the flowering top of cannabis plant. Cannabis plant is nothing but the seeds and leaves which has been known, that is called as the ganja. So the ganja is a mixture with or without of neutral material, that is called as a ganja. And next here the what is meant by cannabis. So the cannabis is nothing but the, so the cannabis they will increase the taste, smell and hearing, and they make having the, they will produce with the I called as a THC. THC means tetrahydrocannabinol, that is called as a ganja. And next here the what is meant by cannabis plant. Here cannabis plant is nothing but the which has obtained from the cannabis. And next here the cocaine. Cocaine is nothing but the cocoa derivative or the crude oil. So the cocaine means it is considered with the purified product of cocoa paste. Cocoa paste which has been extracted from the leaves of cocoa brush. Cocoa brush which has been found with the natural alkali. Here cocoa derivative means cocoa is nothing but the crude cocaine. Crude cocaine which has been extracted from the cocoa leaf. Cocoa leaf can be used, and this cocoa leaf which has been used with the directly or indirectly for the manufacture of the cocaine. And here second point of the cocoa derivative means it is nothing but the ergonine. Ergonine is a derivative of ergonin which has been ergonine derivative. And third one cocaine. Cocoa derivative is nothing but the cocaine, means cocaine is a methyl ester. methyl ester of benzoyl ergonine, and their salts which has been used in the preparation containing more than 1% of cocaine, that is called as a cocoa derivative. And next here the cocoa leaf. Here cocoa leaf means it is nothing but the leaf of cocoa plant, leaf of cocoa plant which having the ergonine. ergonine Ergonine is nothing but the ergonine alkaloids has been removed. So the cocoa leaf is a mixture with or without of neutral material. They will include the preparation containing not more than 0.1% of cocaine. And next here the what is meant by cocoa plant. Cocoa plant means so the plant of any species of the genus Phyllothoraxzone. It is a species of the cocoa plant. And next here the what is meant by next here the what is meant by manufactured drugs. So the manufactured drugs means it is nothing but the cocoa derivative, medicinal cannabis and opium derivatives and the papastra concentrate, that is called as a manufactured drug. So the manufactured drug means it is nothing but the all cocoa derivative, medicinal cannabis and opium derivative and papastra which has been concentrated. And your manufactured drug, it is nothing but the narcotic substance which has been used by the preparation with the central government. So the central government under the international convention by notification in official gazetted, so they will declare the manufactured drugs. These are the various definitions which are including in the narcotic drug and psychotropic substance. And next here the what are all the objectives. Objectives means what are all the main objectives. So the objective is the main objective to consult the law that will relating to the narcotic drug, to make a stringent provision for the control and regulate the operation which are relating to the narcotic drug and psychotropic substance. So here central government by notification in official gazetted officers, they will constitute a advisory committee. So the advisory committee that is known as narcotic drug and the psychotropic substance. This narcotic drug and psychotropic substance, so the committee which having the under the chairmanship which has been appointed by the central government. And next here the what are the functions of the committee. So the committee that will advise the central government. So the central government which are relating to the administration of the act by the government from time to time. That is the first function. And second is the committee have the power to regulate its own procedures. And committee can take decision regarding the filling vacancies in the officers. And last is the committee may appoint a person of member of committee which has been member of committee by the sub